Welcome. In this tutorial we shall learn how to insert text to a drawing in Visio. To add text to a page, go to the Insert menu, click on Text box, click anywhere on the page and drag to resize. Type the text you want to enter. To format the text, first select the text, then right click on it, select Format Text. Here you can select font, font style, font size. Click OK. To insert a symbol, fraction or a special character, click on the Insert menu, select Symbol. These are various symbols that are available. Click on the symbol you want to insert, then click on Insert. To insert text into a shape, double-click inside the shape. Go to the Insert menu, select Field. From the category list box, select the category of the text you want to insert. For example, date and time has various options such as creation date time, current date time, last edit date time, print date time. Select the text you want to insert. Click OK. You can also manually enter the text. You can also format the text from the formatting toolbar. This is how you can add and format text in Visio. Thank you.